Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Effective January 1st, 2025, if your Shopify store sells to Colorado, then you have to comply with the Colorado Privacy Act. So let me show you everything that you need to configure on your store in order to be compliant with this law. Essentially, the Colorado Privacy Act requires these four things. First of all, you need to have an opt-out cookie banner on your store. That is a cookie banner where users can decline cookies. A second requirement is a do not sell my data page. This is a page where users can visit and opt out of their data being sold, and a data subject requests. On this page, users can visit and access their data, modify it, or erase it from your store. Finally, you need to support global privacy control. But this is a very easy one, and I'll tell you why. So let's not waste any more time and get with the setup. You need to go to the Shopify App Store and install Pandectes GDPR compliance. After installing it, you will be met with this dashboard. Activate the banner. And now we have a cookie banner on our store. Next, go to the settings, banner, and since this law does not require the banner to be opt-in, but rather opt-out, we can choose the preferences banner along with the lose policy. Click on save, and that's the banner part done. Now we need to configure the do not sell my data page. How to do that? Well, go to settings, do not sell my data, and copy this code. Then navigate to online store, pages, and here add a new page. Name it however you like. And in this section for show HTML, click it and paste in the code that we just copied. Click on save, and now we have the page in the store. Let's also add it to the navigation. Go to online store navigation, and in the footer menu, click on add menu item, call it do not sell my data, and link it with the page that we just created. Add it and click on save. Now we have a link to the do not sell my data page directly from our footer. Only one step left now. We have to add the data subject request page. Go to the settings, customer data requests, and click on view instructions. Here copy the code to the clipboard and go to online store pages. It's the exact same process as with the do not sell my data page. Click on add page, name it, and in the show HTML, paste in the code. Click on save, and then let's add it to our navigation. Go to navigation in the footer menu and add the new menu item and link it with the page that we just created, and click on save. That's it. The only thing to implement now is global privacy control. But the good news is that Pandectes GDPR compliance listens to the signal by default, so you do not have to do anything. You can even check it in the settings integrations. Here it is, and it is always active, listening for signals from the browser for users that have this setting enabled. And that's the setup done in just a few minutes. You can then go ahead and customize your cookie banner to suit your brand. And that's it. Those are the requirements to be compliant with the Colorado Privacy Act.